Good morning, rented people on the planet Earth. Arigato gozaimashita. I'm here already right now on the state of Jupiter Rikiza and Mapawa, Maragasan. Right now was already the time and the date is April 5, 2025, and the time 5:32 in the morning. You see at the background there's already the foggy in this place. In this place. You cannot see anything in the mountains. Not like seen before. This the place not on the this is not already the foggy. This is my residence of my own clans in Rikisa. All this living there is all my brothers and sisters. There's already two houses was already by and lot here is already built in them. Arigato gozaimasu, Hinajin. Last night is 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. in the evening. I was already go to the church of town site together my own brothers and all siblings in Roman Catholic in Saint Pierre Cathedral. To those people with already my background of the kids with already together of our father, I'm sure that's not my own son. 100% guaranteed Jupiter Kisa. To those old people, my background, all the relatives I don't know. All my siblings and my brothers only. One my brothers and all siblings two and together his wife. Welcome my own YouTube channel at Jupiter Rikisa FL7WL and also my blogs. Hi. Welcome of the state of Jupiter Rikisa and state 1 and state 1 in Mati and state 2 in New Bataan. There's no one additional. Arigato gozaimashita. This is place my own lot. Maybe after 2 years I was already built for my own house. It depends my own budget. If you want to give to us to my own budget, you can send it to us. Arigato gozaimashita. Ay. You see, I can see that back of the mountains. Right now it's already foggy. That's already the road at one going to somewhere in Abunturan in New Bataan. This is somewhere to Damati. You can see other motorcycles what's going on riding right now. Okay, I'm going to the super highway. I hope of this already the street lights must be there. You have to going to the town side and going to the Mapawa street lights because at night too much darkness this place. Okay, let's going for somewhere in Abonturo and going in anything other places or anywhere. It's going for Damati, the state one. Before was already here is planting of the rice. Right now it's always banana. Date 25, 2025 for 9 chick. Arigato gozaimasu to all my followers in my YouTube channel. Arigato gozaimasu. Hey.